Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Marcus Garvey Drive, and as you can see, this road was recently renovated. Marcus Garvey Drive takes you into downtown Kingston. It runs on the right is the Kingston Harbor, so you have a lot of ports along the harbor, like PCJ, Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. They run the Petrojam oil refinery. They have a port on the Kingston Harbor. So when you're coming from Portmore to access downtown Kingston, you'd go on Marcus Garvey Drive. When you're coming from Hanover Street and you're heading towards downtown Kingston, you would access Marcus Garvey Drive. And when you want to access the port, Kingston Container Terminal, or what they call a wharf in Jamaica, this is the road you would use, Marcus Garvey Drive. So you would find you're going to have a lot of factories, a lot of warehouses, a lot of large manufacturing companies on this road. JPS has a power plant. Straight ahead is a Nutramix facility. And of course, the oil refinery, Petrojam. Now, when this road was renovated, I don't know if there was a problem with the drains. The drains that were put in, I don't know if at the time they were adequate, but over time they proved to be inadequate. But basically the drains on this road are too small. They need larger drains, so sometimes when it rains it floods. Now I don't know if it was a case where, I'm not sure what happened why the smaller drains were put in. I don't know if it was money, I don't know if it was at the time the smaller drains would have worked. But as of today, when it rains heavily, this road has flooding on it. On the right is a bus park. Well, it's not that popular. Trying to look for the downtown Municipal Transport Center. That's the name of that bus park. So it's not as popular. It's not very popular actually. Alright, we're now going on to Hanover Street. So this is downtown Kingston. We're on Hanover Street. We're passing over King Street now. This street is, I think it's Church Street. Straight ahead you have the Air Jamaica building. To the right is the Scotia Center, and the Scotia Center is actually the second tallest building in Jamaica. Okay, we're now passing over Duke Street. We're now passing over East Street. Kingston was formed when Jamaica was a colony of the English and of England, and this is Hanover Street. So a lot of the streets, Princess Street, Duke Street, are all have to do with Queen Street, Victoria Avenue, have to do with the English at the time, because Jamaica was a colony of England. Alright, so if we go straight across the line, we're going to Port Royal Street. If we turn left here, we're going to South Camp Road. So we're now on South Camp Road. So this area is actually central Kingston. This is the Raytown area. I'm going to take a look at the GP, the General Penitentiary Prison. So straight ahead on the right where you see the brick building, that's the GP, General Penitentiary. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.